Most experts will miss this. The media will certainly miss it and won't begin telling you about how and why the events happened until after they've come to pass. And that's much too late to be of any use to us as investors. US dollar rally ends with a 30% plunge. What is the difference between a helium-filled balloon and a seesaw? The balloon rises of its own volition. A seesaw rises only because of pressure exerted on the opposite end. Our rising US dollar is riding on a seesaw, not a balloon. Though the dollar is up, it's up only because the two key currencies it competes against, the yen and the euro, are down for their own specific reason. The yen is down. Japan is an implosion in the making. And Japanese monetary officials are purposefully, if not reluctantly, killing the yen. The euro is down because the market expects the European Central Bank to commence with a form of quantitative easing and money printing in 2015 to jumpstart the economy. 6 currencies reflect the underlying fiscal health of their issuing country, just as stocks reflect the underlying operational health of the issuing companies. America's fiscal health is chronically poor and continually degrading. This chart is the single greatest visual I can show you to demonstrate why we need long-term exposure to non-dollar assets. This is not the long-term chart of a winner. This is the long-term chart of a long-term loser. Though the dollar will certainly see periods of temporary strength, as it's seeing now, the obvious and only trend meaningful to the preservation of your wealth is down, which is why you absolutely must have foreign assets in your portfolio, since they will, by definition, rise as the dollar falls. The inevitable fall will see the dollar index hit historic lows in the low 60 range. The decline will be painful for those unprepared for a much weaker dollar. Holdings of gold and silver will buffer you from a weak dollar. Gold in particular is the anti-dollar, the ultimate hedge against all fiat currencies. Gold and the dollar move inversely. So when the dollar tanks, you can be sure your gold coins, bullion, and mining companies will benefit greatly. Until next time, stay sovereign.